President Donald Trump has introduced some of the toughest tariffs in over a century, escalating a global trade war. These measures affect more than 60 countries and aim to address what Trump sees as unfair trade practices. India is one of the countries most affected by these tariffs, with a 26% duty imposed on its exports to the US. Despite this challenge, Bernstein believes that India will manage to handle the pressure. According to the brokerage, India is likely to negotiate with the US rather than increase tensions. While markets might decline in the short term, Bernstein expects the economy to bounce back in the second half of the year. The biggest relief comes from the pharma sector, which has escaped tariffs entirely, as anticipated. Pharma stocks had already undergone a correction of 12 to 17% ahead of the announcement, setting the stage for a stronger rebound. With no additional headwinds, Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Lupin, Zydus Life, and Gland Pharma are expected to rally by 5 to 10%. The hardest hit sectors include jewelry, electronics, and shrimp exports, all of which now face increased tariffs. These industries rely heavily on US demand, and higher duties could significantly impact export competitiveness. Investors will be cautious about these sectors as they adjust to the new trade dynamics. Trump's tariff move has also dealt a blow to the wire and cable industry. Companies such as Polycab, Apar Industries, and KEI Industries are expected to struggle as rising import costs put pressure on margins. This sector, which had been witnessing strong growth, will now have to navigate increased cost burdens, making it a key loser in this scenario. Chemical manufacturers like SRF, Navin Fluorine are also on the receiving end of the tariff shock. Increased trade barriers could impact exports and raw material sourcing, creating uncertainty for these companies. For the auto and auto ancillary sector, the impact is largely neutral. The existing 25% tariff on Indian auto exports remains unchanged, meaning there is no fresh setback for the companies like Tata Motors, Sona BLW, and Bharat Forge. While the sector won't see an immediate boost, it also avoids any further negative impact from the new trade policies. For more such informative videos, do follow Zee Business.